Join the virtual Congress of WONCA Europe 2021, organized by the Dutch College of General Practitioners. The theme is Practicing Person-Centered Care. You can choose sessions you are interested in on a time that is most suitable in your time schedule. After the Congress, you can watch several sessions on demand. You can be involved in subgroup discussions and discuss with speakers and colleagues from Europe in breakout rooms and questions and answers. Apart from the 3 session types at stake, the plenaries, the roundtable sessions and the research masterclasses, you can attend several workshops and oral presentations. There are workshops organized by a WONCA special interest group or network on a topic related to their field of expertise. State-of-the-art presentations and breakout sessions for lively discussion among delegates. There also are workshops based on an abstract submitted. These highly interactive sessions will be introduced by a presentation on current topics, alternated with breakout sessions for discussion in small groups. In the oral presentations, speakers showcase their work through a live session with other authors operating in their field of practice. Of course, there is time for questions and answers. And after the Congress, you can also visit on demand the presentations by a young doctor, the one-slide 5-minute presentations, and the e-posters. We hope to meet you in July.